From December 27th, 2014 to January 14th, 2015, Tommy Caldwell and Kevin Georgeson attempted to free climb the Dawn Wall. Unlike other rock climbers, free climbers use no bolts or ropes or other tools to climb. Caldwell and Georgeson used only their hands and feet. However, they were attached to safety ropes to save them in case they fell. Other free climbers had tried to reach the summit of the Dawn Wall, but none had successfully accomplished the climb. Many thought the rock was impossible to free climb. Caldwell and Georgeson divided their climb into 32 sections, or pitches. Their goal was to climb each pitch in order without falling. If they fell, they had to start over at the beginning of the pitch and try again. At night, they camped on 3 portaledges, or platforms hung from the side of the cliff. The climbers got off to a strong start. On New Year's Day, their 6th day, both climbers finished pitch 14. Caldwell began to race ahead, finishing pitch after pitch, but Georgeson got stuck on pitch 15, known as Razor's Edge. What might the climbers have said to each other back on their hanging base camp? Read on to find out. Scene 1, January 5th, 2015. After a difficult day of climbing, Caldwell and Georgeson rest on their portaledges high on the Dawn Wall.
How are your hands?
Pretty cut up. That section has just 2 tiny handholds, and it's killing me. They're so thin and sharp.
That's why they call this section the Razor's Edge.
I climbed it when we practiced last year. Now each time I grasp a handhold, the rock sliced my fingers and I lose my grip.
I've fallen plenty of times myself. You're doing great considering your injuries.